Higgsfield AI review. You've been seeing all those ultra-realistic videos popping up online and wondering, how are people making this so easily? Chances are they're using Higgsfield AI. But is it actually as powerful as it looks? Let's find out. Higgsfield AI is a cutting-edge generative video platform that lets you create high-quality, human-like videos just from text or still images. Think of it like having your own mini film studio. No cameras, no actors, no green screen. You type in a prompt and then boom, it brings it to life with shockingly realistic motion and facial expression. One of the coolest things about Higgsfield is how accurate it is with human movement and emotion. It doesn't just animate faces, it captures body language, lighting, and camera angles that look cinematic. You can customize the look of your subjects, control their emotions, and even make them lip sync perfectly to your voice or script. It's built for creators, marketers, and studios who want to make realistic video content fast. On the plus side, the realism is insane. It's super user-friendly, saves tons of production time, and you don't need any video editing experience. It's basically plug, type, and create. But there are few drawbacks. Since it's still new, there can be rendering delays and occasional uncanny results. Plus, pricing isn't the cheapest if you're creating videos in bulk. And of course, AI-generated contents always raises questions about ethics and originality. So, should you try this Higgsfield AI? If you're a creator who wants to make next level visuals without spending hours filming, this tool is total game changer. But if you're after pixel perfect results every time, you might want to wait as the tech keeps improving. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tech reviews, and drop a comment. What would you create with Higgsfield AI? Thanks for watching!